Good day. My name is Werner Nuss and I'm a Business Development Manager at STIHL South Africa. Today I'm going to show you a new MH610, which is part of our tiller range. It comes standard with transport wheels, so to move the machine in between areas. And then once you're in your tilling or ploughing area, you then change it with your interchangeable tiller blades. The nice thing about these blades, it is adjustable for a narrow or a little bit of a wider seedbed. Stock standard feature with this is it comes with a crop protection plate. The nice thing with a crop protection plate, especially when you're ploughing close to other crops or narrower seedbeds, so then it protects the other crops. This machine comes standard with 2 forward and 1 reverse gear, and it's basically managed. So once the machine is in operation, you've got the depth limiter at the back, which you just utilize the weight and the balance of the machine to put a little bit of pressure on that, and that holds the machine in the ground so for tilling forward. But let me show you how it works. Thanks for watching.